Hi everyone, it's Nandi. Welcome back to Valiant Living. I'm going to talk to you today about tattoos. Now, I've always said I would never ever get a tattoo. Never. I will never get a tattoo. Right? And some people seem to be just so obsessed with tattoo. And I know nowadays it's almost like you have to get one. You have to go through at least a phase of feeling like you need one. Almost everyone I know will show me some tattoo of the sort, whether it's their lover's name or their child's name or just a symbol. Ain't gonna happen. I will never get one. And I think, well, you see, I understand the motive behind it. Whether it's the need to feel like, to make a statement, to say, I can bear the pain. So for some people, it's just that, just to say, well, I can, because they hear that it's painful and it's like a rite of passage to say you can withstand this, I can bear the pain. For some people, that's all it is. And for some, they just want to have a mark, something special, to tattoo something special on, whether it's the name of a lover, which I totally would advise against, because we all know how sour relationships can go, and then you have this person's name tattooed on you. I hear that it can be removed, but I assume it's just as painful, and probably not, you're not going to get back, you probably have to just cover it with another tattoo, or I don't know if they can remove it and your skin look back the way it used to look. I don't know, but I'm sure that will be painful, a painful procedure to do. I can understand with those who tattoo the names of their children, I can understand that one. But to tattoo the name of even your spouse, that's asking for trouble. In this day and age where things are so fluid and so people don't view commitment the way they used to, so I would say that's a very bad idea, right? People do tattoos to belong to a group, all of those reasons, right? We know in ancient days, it definitely was a way of identifying the group, especially when enemies were about, and then the enemies themselves would tattoo as a way of branding, that kind of thing. So there's that, but we're no longer in those times. So most persons who get tattoos now, they choose to get it and they pay hefty amounts to go get it done. Now, I think for me, the reason I'm so opposed to it is because as a child, I had a condition where my skin, I was allergic to mosquito bites, and they broke out and left many scars on my skin, and I spent a lot of time growing up trying to erase those scars. So having spent that time trying to erase the scars, I cannot for the life of me see why I would want to put more scars. You get what I'm saying? So it has always been for me to get clean, clear, blemish-free skin. So it would be counterintuitive and counterproductive, I think, at this point in my life now, to put what I see, what I can only see as a scar and a blemish. That's when I look at tattoos, that's what I'm looking at, scars and blemishes. So you can see where I'm coming from, right? To having erased those that I grew up with, and now to deliberately put more it just wouldn't sit well with my spirit, right? It definitely would not sit well with my spirit. Now, when I look at older persons who got tattoos in their younger days, when their skin was firm and taut, tight, and now the skin starts to sag, lose its integrity. The tattoos are doing some strange things on those skins. The tattoos are doing some mighty strange things on those skins, and I'm not liking what I see. I'm not liking what I see in the older folk who had, especially ones who they tattooed all over, and then now the skin starts to sag and crinkle, and the tattoo doing some weird stuff. And I'm saying these people either had no foresight, or maybe they're just okay. Maybe to them that's just a part of the process, and they accept that, and they have no regrets. I regret nothing, that statement. I regret nothing. Maybe it's good, it's all good, it's still all good, right? But I know for me, I wouldn't want that. I wouldn't want to do that, and then when I'm older, to have this tapestry sagging and just looking so disproportionate, and some places stretched and some places crinkled. So that, I guess that's it. That's the reason. To me, skin is a very important thing for me. Skin is reflective of your internal health, and I love to see just this expanse of clean, clear skin. That's a reflection of your inner health. I don't want anything to mar that. I don't want anything to interfere with my vision of that. To get what I'm saying, I just like to see clean, clear, well-toned skin. I don't even like to put stuff on my skin. I don't wear lotion. If I'm putting anything on my skin, it's just a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil in the morning, not at night. At night, my skin needs to breathe. My skin needs to be free to express itself while I'm sleeping, getting rid of toxins, all of those things. When I shower in the morning, I might, not all, I have nothing on my skin now. I haven't used oil on my skin in weeks. So it's hard, it's rare that I do it, right? I just shower and dry, and that's it. I just like my skin to be free of anything, because it's supposed to be a reflection of your interior. Dr. Robert Morris always says your skin is your third kidney, it's your largest kidney, and you need it to be open to breathe, to release toxins, and so you wash that away. Just let it be free. Why are you going to be marking it up and slathering things all over it? No, that's not for me. To me, those things are unsightly and unhealthy. And I just feel like that ink is going to interfere with. I just feel the ink is going to get into your system. How can it not? This is organic matter. This is organic matter. Nothing is going to find a way into the system. And who knows what it can trigger, what it can be related to, that we're not even linking We're not even making the connection at this point, right? So those are my view. If you see me in a tattoo, I've been cloned, and you need to come search for the real me. If you see me and I have a tattoo, best believe I have been cloned, and you need to come get the real me ASAP. This is Nandi. I'll check you in the next videos, guys. Bye.